So this CO2 label had just fallen off again, so I've just added some VHB tape to the back to try and give it another chance of sticking on. And I'm going to take back on board. So that's now back up, hopefully it holds a bit stronger this time. And on the Trello, it's quite hard to differentiate between things that I filmed and need to edit and what's been done and completed. So I'm just going to add another column in the Trello for things that have been captured and need editing. Cool, so now I've got a column in between for content capture that needs editing. So it's just, I can move them across once I filmed it and it's waiting to be put through so it can go live.
I made this improvement for Adam the other week so that we can basically mount things to wall without actually having to mount them to the wall. So what you can do is just put the item on top of this thing, and then that can sit on top of a ledge or on top of a worktop and makes it look like it's wall mounted. But we need one for bigger items and for mounting things a lot higher. So this one only does about 1 foot. We could do about 5 or 6 foot. So this is an in-progress improvement. What we've got here is one of our concrete rake tools, a plinth that I've made in 3D printer, and at the top here, it's got this little hole here, so there's some magnets in here and some little notches taken out. And what we also have is some metal platforms, so the whole pattern there matches the whole pattern on these perfectly. I mean, you can just slap these on and give you a better surface to work with. We keep making more plates of different sizes for different needs. Overall, this is going to be a really good improvement. And this is how it's looking all together. So plugs into the plinth at the bottom there, and at the top we've got on these platforms. So thank you to Phil for cutting these and putting the bottom part. Thanks to Josh for sticking it, and hopefully this helps us.
Okay, so today's improvement, Jake has kindly done us some labels for this box that we order. So now it keeps in line with everything else on our box ordering system on our tool. Thank you very much.
Hello, my improvement for today, I built plates for testing electric motors. One we have for 3-phase. Another one is for single phase. So before install to the spray booth, we know how actually condition looks. Thank you.
We've got a handy dandy cleaning trolley with a bin, very useful in Powder Coat 1. We've also got a bin here. This isn't needed, so I'm going to get rid of what isn't required. Here's the after. I've got rid of what isn't needed, and I wanted to show this before I cleaned it, because now that bin's gone, I've got all this space. I can clean up this. I can see that this needs a lot of love. These don't need to be there. That one improvement means there's a lot more now that I know I can do, and I'll be doing that tomorrow.
Great job everyone, thank you very much.